Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Social Studies Class 1. My house. A house is a building for living in. Usually a family lives in it. Do you want to see my house? This is my house. It is a 3-story building. The address is house number 8, street number 5, Kent, Karachi. My beautiful house. Parts of a house. A house has many parts. Each part is used for a different purpose. A bathroom. A bedroom. A kitchen. Bedroom, the room where we sleep. Lounge, the room where we relax and watch TV. Drawing room, the room where our guests sit and are served by us. Dining room, the room where we eat. Bathroom, the room where we clean ourselves. Kitchen, the room where our food is prepared. Courtyard, the place where we play. Lawn, the place where we enjoy nature. A happy home. A home is a place where you live with your family. A happy home is one of the biggest blessings of Allah. In a happy home, we can share our problems. We are sheltered, we feel safe. We get love and find happiness. We can relax. We are protected from people or animals who can harm us. We are also protected from the sun and rain. How we can make our home a happy home? To make our home a happy home, we should be careful about some things. We should not fight. We should be caring for others. We should not use bad language. We should share things. We should respect our elders. We should help each other. We should obey our elders. Different kinds of houses. Did you know that there are different kinds of homes for everyone? Hut. It is usually made of mud and straw. Many of the houses in village are huts. Apartment. In an apartment building, there are many apartments. Different families live in each apartment. Palace. It is the home of the king or queen of a country. People make homes according to the climate of their country. Igloo. Some tribes of people called Eskimos live in houses made of blocks of ice. The land is all covered with snow. Tree houses. Some tribes of people live in trees because the land is all covered with tall trees. House on stilts. In areas where land is flooded due to frequent rainfall, people live in houses built on stilts. Now, next is exercises. A part is answer the questions. What is a house? A house is a building for living in. How can we make our home a happy home? We should be caring and loving. We should share things. We should help each other. We should not fight. What are the major uses of a home? We are protected from the sun and rain. Does a single family live in an apartment building? No, many families live in an apartment building. Why do people live in houses built on stilts? People live in these houses because their land is flooded with water. Draw a smiley face for the correct statement and a sad face for the wrong statement. First statement is we love each other. So here a smiley face like this. Next, we abuse each other. So a sad face like this. Words meaning parts हिस्से sleep सोना happy खुश respect इज्जत करना tree दरख्त dictation words house enjoy safe rain mate